Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the Smart Mart billing system using Python. So first we do the product registration. So we have to register the product with the product number, product name, product description, and the unit price. So we have to enter all those details and then click on the save button. So let's enter the details. The product number 2, product name watch, product description. Then click on the individual billing. So enter the product number and the number of units. Okay, after that, we have to generate the bill. Okay, let's click on generate bill and then click on back button. Now click on the sales report. So it will show the complete sales report with the detailed descriptions. Okay, now product shipping. So we have to enter the product number, product unit shipped to the store, product wholesale price, product expiry date if exist. Okay, after that, click on save button. So all the data is stored in the database, which we are using the SQLite 3 database. And Tkinter used to create the graphical user interface. So this will be the stock report. Okay, so this will be the complete project. If you have doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you need, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.